Fenugreek and cholesterol, science-backed benefits for heart health. Fenugreek, Trigonellophenum graecum, is a versatile plant cultivated in regions across South America, Asia, and the Middle East. Its seeds are commonly ground into a fine powder and consumed in capsule form, but they are also widely used as a flavorful seasoning, either alone or as part of spice blends such as garam masala. For centuries, traditional Chinese and Indian medicine have valued fenugreek for its potential to support digestive health and enhance metabolism. Today, it continues to be promoted in health food stores for these purposes. Beyond its traditional uses, modern research suggests that fenugreek may provide a range of health benefits, including helping lower blood sugar levels, supporting treatment for head lice, reducing symptoms of heartburn. Importantly, emerging evidence indicates that fenugreek may also play a role in improving cardiovascular health, specifically by helping maintain healthy lipid levels. Lipids are fat-like substances in the bloodstream, including cholesterol and triglycerides, which, when elevated, can increase the risk of heart disease. This discussion will focus on how fenugreek may help lower cholesterol, the mechanisms behind its potential benefits, and what current research reveals. We will also examine possible side effects, ensuring you have a balanced and evidence-based understanding before considering fenugreek as part of your wellness routine. Studies on fenugreek and cholesterol. Supporters of herbal medicine often highlight fenugreek's potential to help lower cholesterol and triglyceride levels. While promising, scientific evidence is still emerging, with only a limited number of small-scale studies exploring this effect. A 2020 systematic review examined 15 studies on fenugreek involving participants who were healthy, diabetic, or living with high blood lipid levels, such as elevated cholesterol. Fenugreek was administered in various forms, including powdered leaves, seed extract, and seed powder, with study durations ranging from just 2 hours to as long as 3 years. The review concluded that there is some evidence suggesting fenugreek supplementation may help reduce total cholesterol and triglycerides. However, the authors emphasize the need for more high-quality, large-scale research to confirm these results. Although the exact mechanism remains unclear, one theory is that fenugreek may increase the number of LDL receptors in the liver. These receptors enable cholesterol to enter cells, and an increase in their number could enhance the body's ability to remove LDL cholesterol from the bloodstream. Animal studies have also indicated that fenugreek might reduce fat accumulation in the body. Still, researchers caution that findings from animal models may not directly translate to humans. If you have high cholesterol, the American Heart Association recommends a heart-healthy diet low in saturated fats as the first line of defense. In cases where lifestyle changes alone are insufficient, medication may be necessary. Statins, such as Lipitor or atorvastatin, are often preferred treatment to manage cholesterol levels effectively. Side effects of fenugreek. While some research indicates that fenugreek may offer modest improvements in lipid profiles, current evidence is not strong enough to recommend it as a sole treatment for lowering cholesterol or triglycerides. If you're trying to manage high cholesterol, fenugreek should be considered a complementary approach, not a replacement for proven medical treatments or lifestyle changes. In clinical studies, most participants tolerated fenugreek well, with relatively few side effects reported. The most common side effects included bloating, diarrhea, nausea. Some studies also observed that fenugreek supplementation could lead to lower blood sugar and potassium levels. These effects may be a particular concern for individuals with diabetes or those taking medications that affect electrolyte balance. Before starting fenugreek or any dietary supplement, consult with a qualified healthcare provider. They can help you determine the right approach for your cholesterol management plan and ensure that fenugreek is safe for your individual health needs. Conclusion: fenugreek has long been valued in traditional medicine, and modern research suggests it may help modestly reduce total cholesterol and triglyceride levels. However, the current body of evidence is limited, and more high-quality studies are needed before fenugreek can be recommended as a primary strategy for lowering cholesterol. As with any supplement, fenugreek may cause side effects such as nausea or bloating, and it can affect blood sugar and potassium levels in some individuals. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting fenugreek supplements, especially if you have existing health conditions or take prescription medications. For now, Fenugreek may be best considered as a potential complementary option within a broader heart health plan that includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, and medical guidance when necessary. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to HeInfo, your all-in-one destination for trusted, science-backed health information. Like this video, share it with friends and family, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest expert-backed health updates.